If you've been wanting to visit Janpat Market lately and wondering what the latest collection there is, the prices and the best shops to visit, this video will be your ultimate guide to Janpat Market with a fun haul segment and a detailed tour of the market. So subscribe to this channel and let's get started. Hello my YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel, welcome to this week's video. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and today is going to be a very exciting vlog because we are finally going to Janpat. Explorer Hershey is going to Janpat today, which is so exciting. Ever since I've come to India, I have been wanting to explore Janpat Market since so long, and I did briefly go to Janpat Market जब मैंने वो CP vlog किया था, the last CP vlog that I filmed for you guys, which I will link either here or here. I always get confused कि वो कहाँ पे screen पे आता है. Anyway, so I did briefly go to Janpat, लेकिन I didn't cover anything. It was just, you know, like a quick stroll. But today we are actually, you know, like officially going to the Janpat Market. I am going to be showing you guys the latest collection there right now, the prices, and if I do find good finds, then I'm obviously going to do a haul for you guys as well. वैसे तो I do not need to do any shopping right now. If you've been following my YouTube channel already, I did recently go to Goa, and before going to Goa मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा shopping करी थी, so I really don't need anything right now honestly. लेकिन of course, you know, like if I like something, I will most definitely not be able to resist and hold back. So let's see कि क्या collection होती है. So yeah, I am very excited. So if you are someone who is traveling to Delhi soon, or if you are already in Delhi and going to Janpat Market soon, or you know, if you just need any shopping inspiration and you need to go to any Delhi market, then please keep watching this video. I'm gonna be catching up with my brother. We are gonna get some food in CP, so I'll take you guys along with me, and then uske baad we'll be going to the Janpat Market. So if you are here just for Janpat Market vlog, then please skip through. I will put the timestamp here. You can fast forward to the Janpat vlog, but yeah, let's get some food and then let's go shopping. Okay, so Janpat की shopping से पहले I obviously needed a cup of coffee and food in me, so we headed to Open House Cafe, which was on my list since a very long time. The ambience here was absolutely lovely, but the drinks didn't impress me too much. The coffee I got was really sweet, even when I asked for no sugar. And the other drinks we ordered here were just on the average side too, but the food, however, was pretty enjoyable, so that was really good. And the waffle that we ordered was also pretty good. के बाद started the fun part as we finally reached the Janpat Market, and the first shop you will see when you enter here is a belt shop. यहाँ पे you will find all sorts of designer belts, corset belts, fake dupes, and any other design of belts that you might be looking for. And for designer belts like these, the bhaiya quoted 350 rupees as the starting price. And you can obviously get these negotiated based on your bargaining skills.
Sabyasachi dupe. Yeah, this looks very nice.
भैया इसका प्राइस क्या है?
कितना?
पूरा इसका
अगर दो लेंगे तो?
दो ले लीजिए। और बताइए कुछ
दो ले लो।
दो ले लो, प्राइस क्या होगा इसका?
650
Guys, यहाँ पे तो quality of these belts was pretty good, and if you negotiate well, you can get these down from 350 rupees to 200 rupees, especially if you are buying more than one. The market also has a number of pretty summer dresses which looked very light, breezy and comfortable, and came in a number of colors and prints. The prices for these dresses start at rupees 450. थोड़ा आगे जाके you can also find many designs of tote bags like these ones, which I find so practical when shopping, and they have a lot of capacity as well. You can find various patterns and designs for these starting at rupees 450.
कौन सा सेम है जी 40 है कोई नहीं
You can also find a huge variety of stylish and trending sunglasses starting at just rupees 300. You can easily find dupes of luxury brand sunnies if that's what you're looking for, or you can find good quality aesthetic and insta-worthy sunnies on a budget as well. The Janpat Market also has various shops for boho style interior, home decor, unique kitchen utensils and pretty wind chimes which will really stand out. And you will find a number of Zara dupe dresses, tank tops and pants starting at just rupees 350. And guys, one thing that Janpat is very famous for is the ethnic jewelry collection here, which I was in awe for. You can find stunning ethnic earrings like these starting at only rupees 50 and going up to 250 rupees. And guys, yehi cheezein online you will find it for 2 times the price. So if you are on a hunt for, ethnic jewelry like this, then definitely check out the Janpat market first. And talking about ethnic wear, you will also find a number of shops selling beautiful boho and Indo style tops and trousers, with tops starting at rupees 350 and trousers at rupees 850. And guys, as I mentioned before, यहाँ पे you will find a number of dupes for Zara and H&M for men and women as well. And the quality of these shirts is pretty similar to the H&M quality. I cannot compare with Zara quality because यहाँ की जो quality थी, it was a little more cheaper than Zara quality. लेकिन H&M तो एकदम ऐसी ही quality है. And you can get these shirts starting at rupees 400 rupees, which was very affordable if you are on a hunt for shirts like this. And you will find a huge variety of shirts with different patterns and designs. You can also find good quality t-shirts like these Korean and Japanese inspired t-shirt styles starting at rupees 350. And guys, talking about the quality, when you touch these clothes, a lot of the stalls actually had good quality clothes, very similar to H&M as I said. Lekin I'm just not sure because I'm also shopping from here for the first time. I'm not sure कि wash के बाद quality कैसी रहेगी, so we will see that later on. Lekin guys, just remember, not all shops have good quality, so just scroll through and see which one has good one because the prices are the same on all shops. And then I also saw the infamous crochet tops, which I've literally seen every Desi girl wear on Goa trip. So if you're on a hunt for these, you can find these starting at rupees 700. There's also a huge collection of footwear here like sandals, flip-flops, ethnic jutis with prices ranging from 250 to 800 rupees. And if you are enjoying this video so far, please do hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments which video you would like to see from me next. And now I'm going to show you the shop that inspired me to film this video for you guys, as I was desperately on a hunt to add one of these stunning boho bags to my collection. And I feel like even God wanted me to get this because it actually started to rain heavily as soon as I found this shop. So this was actually the last shop that we went to, and the shop number was M28. The bags here were all handcrafted, high quality, and the intricate design was definitely a piece of art.
गाइस, हमारी शॉपिंग यहीं पे खत्म हो गई है बिकॉज इट हैज स्टार्टेड टू रेन. सारा मेकअप सब खराब हो चुका है. सो लेट्स गो होम एंड देन आई विल डू अ हॉल फॉर यू गाइस. Okay guys, we are back home. वहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश हो गई थी while I was there. It was so hot and humid and it was raining, so I was literally drenched in rain and sweat. So I just got back home. मैंने कुछ touch up नहीं किया है, so if like I can't see on my tiny camera screen, but if you can see any flaws, then I'm really sorry. But I was like, I will just quickly show you guys everything that I got before the natural lighting goes away. God, I wasn't even supposed to shop, लेकिन I did find some cute pieces which I'm so excited to show you guys, and one of the pieces is literally my favorite, but we're gonna save the best for the last. So let me just quickly show you guys everything that I got. So as soon as you enter the Janpat market, the first thing that I showed you guys was a belt shop, and I did get a belt from there because I was really on a lookout for a nice and neutral belt which would look good with jeans and even like with dresses. So I got this beautiful and like very basic yet very elegant belt. This one is quite adjustable. Like you can just adjust this and it doesn't have any hook, so I was really on a lookout for a belt like this. And yeah, it's just a very basic belt. Originally the bhaiya quoted me 350 rupees for this one, and then because we bought 2 belts, Anshika bought 1 belt and I bought 1 belt, so I got this for 200 rupees. I think it's a very fair deal, especially because the quality is very nice. I don't know guys, I always say this, I'm not used to like I'm not good at bargaining. I'm still learning that skill. So if you guys think that I could have got this for cheaper, then yeah, you can probably get this for cheaper if you have better bargaining skills. But even for 200, I feel like this is very good quality and it's very versatile, and I would definitely get the most out of this. Next thing that I got, I found this striped shirt, but it was really unique because it has small little hearts everywhere threaded on it, and I just fell in love with this. I was like, this is a unique piece. I was already on a hunt for a striped shirt, but then there's like little hearts which makes it really unique, so I fell in love with this and I obviously had to get this. And guys, like when you're in Janpat, a lot of the shops would quote you the same price price. Let's say like the basic price for any shirt like this is 700 rupees, right? The starting price is 700 rupees, but a lot of shops don't have good quality. So when you are in Janpat Market, just make sure that you find a shop which has like better quality. Like this same shirt without the print, but like just the basic shirt, like some of them the fabric was so bad quality, whereas this one for the same price was really good quality. Like this is linen shirt, it's very soft, it's very light, very breathable, and it would be perfect for this like summer scorching weather. So I'm very happy with this purchase. And again, the bhaiya quoted me 700. I think that was like the starting price for all shirts. It was just 700, but then I got this for 350 rupees. So I had to bargain, and then I got this for 350 rupees, and I'm very happy with this purchase. You guys, wear it up, I can wear it on its own, I can button it down. So yeah, I'm very happy, and these cute little hearts just make everything so much more different and unique and better, and I just love it so much. And guys, if you guys know me, I love everything cute and pooky. So yeah, I'm very happy with these hearts, and I'm very happy with this purchase. Okay, next is something which, if you know me, I'm always into, like comfortable clothes, like oversized t-shirts, baggy t-shirts, anything cute and comfy is my vibe. So I did find something which I thought I could just, like lounge in. I've been seeing this print a lot on PJs, on t-shirts, and I finally got my hands on it. And it's this cute oversized crop t-shirt right here. And it says another cup of coffee, and it's got a girl and a Chanel bag, and everything about this t-shirt screams my personality. I love coffee, I love luxury bags, I love everything aesthetic. So I was like, what, let me just get this. And it's got the same print at the front and the same print at the back. I love the colors on this t-shirt as well. Like I just know that I will wear this so much, I will get so much wear out of this. If you go on my Instagram, or if you know me personally on daily basis, this girl is me. You can literally like print my picture here, and that's me. Anyways, they quoted 550 rupees for this. It's just a basic t-shirt. The quality is very good, not gonna lie. It's very thick. Again guys, I do not compromise on quality. So yeah, the bhaiya was quoting 550 rupees for this t-shirt, which I've been living in India for too long now to know that that's a very high price for these t-shirts. So I got this for 200 rupees. I feel like it's a good price. Again, if you have better bargaining skills than me, then you can probably get this for cheaper, but I am just happy with 200 rupees as well, bro. Like look at this, it's really pretty, and I just know that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. Like I'm literally gonna be lounging in this almost every single day. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. Okay, so now we are on to the last bit, and I did save the best for last, and this piece is something which actually made me go to Janpat Market. I was watching some vlogs and I saw like similar style bag in one of the videos, and I just fell in love, and I was like, what, I need to go and get this bag in my life. So this bag is basically what inspired this whole video, and presenting to you, oh my god, you guys, literally I have fallen in love with this piece of bag. Like this is pure leather, okay, and this bag is just so versatile. I literally do not have anything like this, first of all. Second of all, look at the colors, look at how beautiful this is. This is literally one of the best pieces of accessories in my closet. Like I just love this. It's got this little pouch as well, and of course you can remove this pouch and just take it as it is. I just absolutely love this bag. I love the crafting on this. It's just so beautiful. It is so well made, and it's got this strap, so you can either like put it as a crossbody. Let me show you guys. You can either put this as a crossbody, or let me show you the versatility of this bag. I can remove this strap and then just have it like this. I can remove the strap if I don't want a crossbody, and I can just put it on like this. Guys, I actually have no words for it. I am so obsessed with this piece, and I just cannot wait to wear this. This is so well made, and it's just beautiful. It is beautiful, and They quoted 2200 for this, and I got this for 1900. The lady was very stubborn about the prices, and she said like this is really good quality, pure leather, so you feel like this is worth every single penny. It is just so unique, you guys. This is handcrafted, so I really, when it comes to unique pieces and good quality pieces, I really don't mind, you know, spending that extra money, because it just makes me so happy. And this is literally so beautiful, you guys. I am literally obsessed with it, and I'm just gonna sleep with this bag. Like, look at this. That shop, I think the shop number was M28, and they had really good collection of bags there. And you guys, I am literally in awe of this bag. I love it so much, and I can't wait to wear this. I just love this bag. This was the last piece. This is everything that I got from Janpat Market, and I really hope that this video was useful. And if you are planning to come to Delhi soon, if you're going to Janpat soon, I really hope that you guys find this video useful and you found this video fun. And if you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe to this channel. It makes me so happy when I get new subscribers. This is a growing channel, so it just makes me so happy. Any sort of engagement on this channel literally makes me so happy. I do want to do a giveaway soon, because we did just hit 1000 subscribers last night, and I'm so happy for it. And I am waiting for 1.5k subscribers to do a giveaway for you guys. So please jaldi jaldi इस वीडियो को like कर दो and इस channel को subscribe कर दो, so that we can get to 0.5k subscribers soon, and then I can do a really good giveaway for you guys and give back all the love and support that you guys have given me. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, you found this useful, and I will see you guys with a fun vlog next week. So thank you for watching. Bye.